Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreOffice tutorials how to add a watermark. I will go to write the document, and if you want to add a watermark in this page, you can go to format menu, click on watermark, and you can set the text in here. Like I will set into Mufasuket. You also can set for the angles, transparency, and the font. If you done, you can click OK, and it will be automatically appear in this page. If you create new page, you can see in another page. I will click back in break, and then we have this watermark in every page. Okay, that's it for basic LibreOffice tutorials how to add watermark. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.